user-friendly. This Diamond Connection system is very user-friendly to use.
Yeah, very little training was involved to get all my techs up to speed.
The systems that I've used in the past, this thing's a dreamboat. Very, very good.
Just saves so much time.
It's a walk in the park on this new Diamond Connection.
You can do anything with this thing.
With the Diamond Solutions, I have control of my parts and my inventory. So with the system, I know what's on the shelf.
Because I have almost like an on-time parts delivery system. I use a muffler, the next day I have another one.
Not only does it help me control my inventory and keeping the cost of my inventory down, but it also helps me control my inventory and keeping the parts in-house that I need.
It's nice having it all on the system.
The part's always here because at the other end, when they pull it up on the computer, they automatically send me what I need. They don't call and say, hey, you want this or whatever. It's up there on the computer screen. It's there to be reordered, and it's shipped in.
So I can keep the lowest amount of inventory possible. I don't have it sitting on a shelf. I don't have to worry about parts being returned at the end of the year. I have my dealer be my inventory. They're stocking it. They know what I've been using. They have the trends. They can keep the extra parts at their location. And all they have to do is once a day, they get online and they check out what I need, and I have it the next day. In fact, some of my mechanics right now, they look at me and they say, I just charged it out yesterday. I know we don't have any upstairs. And I say, go look. I said, it came this morning. You know? And they wonder, how the heck can you order it so quick? Well, you know, I hate to tell them that I'm up all night long doing it, but I just allow the system to go ahead and do it for me. You know, and it's a great system.
Diamond Connections has reduced our inventory approximately, cost-wise, $10,000.
Diamond Connections has lowered my inventory approximately 20–25%.
Yeah, Diamond Connection Solutions has lowered my inventory about 20 to 30% over the last 3 years.
Before we first got on it, we were about $134,000 in inventory. Now we're down to about $50,000 worth of inventory. Saving almost $80,000 in inventory that we don't have on hand tells you that we're a lot more efficient.
Oh yes, it's much more efficient now.
Diamond Connection Solutions preventive maintenance has made us a lot more efficient both on time and getting the vehicles in when they need to be attended to and not getting overlooked and run extended periods.
That's allowed us to be able to schedule our buses to come in for oil changes and their routine maintenance checkups. And actually we've got it set up so it's we're bringing them in before they're due. It's allowed us a lot more uptime on our vehicles.
Before it was all manually tracking the reports and that. Now it's a matter of just clicking and open up the program.
I don't have to go through the whole system to find out what I want on one part, which is great.
Makes it much simpler. When a vendor comes in and I need to order something, I can just pull it up. It'll tell me what I need, what I don't need. It gets them out of here faster and it keeps my inventory lower.
That is our only source of documentation that we use here. We went totally paperless because of the Diamond Connection system.
The system is exceptionally easy to use.
The system is very user-friendly. Very little training was involved to get all my techs up to speed.
Diamond Connection has been very easy to learn.
As you use it every day, you learn more and more about shortcuts or tricks that you can do with it.
I can make sure by relying on the system to tell me what parts to be warranted versus being on the floor, you know, and looking at every single part that goes out.
The supervisor that is working with them says that the Diamond Connection has helped them keep track of it.
So we definitely have recovered warranty issues because the system does track it, and if we have a failure within the given warranty time, it gives us a warning where we can work on that and get that replaced under warranty.
And I have some older mechanics here that I thought would have a little bit of trouble with the system. They don't. They don't have any trouble at all with it. The system kind of like walks them right through what they have to do, opening up a repair order and writing down the mileage, getting the time input, getting their parts input.
Up to now, the dealer support has been fantastic. Give them a call, get what you need, have any problems, they're there for you.
The support from the dealer has been really good. If I have a problem, I call him up and he'll come out and he can pretty much muddle through anything that might be wrong.
Support for the program has been excellent, both from our dealership and tech support. Chicago is on the phone with us and very helpful in getting any kind of problems taken care of.
Our dealership is wonderful. I can call him. He has answers for me all the time. He calls me when he sees my inventory because there are some parts that I'm not getting from him yet. He'll call me sometimes and say, hey, we can get you this item at a better price. And
we support our customers 24 hours by telephone. We encourage them to make use of the support desk.
International's got that support for Diamond Connection Solutions also, that if we can't answer that situation or fix it, we have that support through International, and the customer response on that is just tremendous because they love that idea of being able to get that help that they need.
Diamond Connection Solutions help desk is absolutely 100% better than anything else available on the market.
Yeah, the relationship with the Southside International guys has increased since utilizing Diamond Solutions.
it's much more of a tighter relationship.
They understand that we're trying to keep a good inventory, and we keep it down to as minimum as possible so we don't have a lot of dollars sitting on the shelf. So they understand when we do get an order that it's critical to get it filled and done as soon as possible.
He dials in and picks up the parts that I need to reorder, and I don't talk to him. He gets kind of lonely out there. He's like a Maytag man, you know? He's lonely out there because he can't find any repairs.
When we introduced Diamond Connection to some of our bus customers, they were astounded. They were absolutely astounded. I mean, it was one of the best programs, simple to use, hands-on, that they've ever seen.